Uh, uh, uh. What's up? Man, what's up with y'all? Hope y'all doing great, man. Let's get straight into the video. So we're gonna talk about markets. We're gonna talk about money, all that, stocks and forex, all that. Got working a little bit, so I had to make this video. I didn't do it earlier this week, so I thought why not Wednesday. So let's jump straight into this thing, boy. You already know what I'm saying? Like, whoa, my fault. All right, so first pair, let's go over just UJ real quick. So UJ, I'm right now anticipating a bullish move. I think this move is gonna rip. This move is gonna be crazy. No, right now you may not see the vision, but I'm seeing a huge bullish move, um, incoming for sure. Just based on the fact that so last week we did have this area of support, which I did break down previous video, area of support, and price came all the way back down to it. And from this angle, it seems as if price completely just broke structure and is maintaining a bearish sort of look to it, based on the fact that it looks like it broke below this previous low. But we do have this huge green bean type of candle on the daily at that same area of support. And if I'm going to the smaller time frames, I noticed that the price also did it broke structure right here. So it broke that structure where price was previously bearish. We had the high, lower high, lower high, and then what price broke above it. So I'm looking for that bullish move within the foreseeable future, probably very soon. Might get it. I was anticipating it today, but we haven't really got that pullback that I'm looking for. Once we get that pullback, it's wraps. Like I'm unzipping my pants. It's wraps. It's like Christmas Day is wraps. Okay, so UJ, cool. EJ is also pretty bullish, as you can see. Let's go to the daily real quick. Daily, we do see this also a green bean on the daily time frame, and I'm starting to use these fair value gaps a lot more. As you can see right here, price filled that fair value gap on the daily. Even here, like on the 4 hour, you see this mini minor fair value gap. Price fulfilled it. Tough. So yeah, right here we do have previous area of what price I would consider price just maintaining that area, and right here as well maintaining. Looks like it broke, but what do we have here? We have a bearish candle, doji, bullish, not a break, it was maintained. So I believe what we could target on this time frame is, and I would probably just go left and see what we can find. Yeah, not much that we can find, honestly. Like between these highs, those two highs, that's probably the best that we can do at this point. And yeah, it already surpassed this high, so I say why not? F it, 186, 186. Look at this weekly candle, crazy. Daily candle, crazy. This thing is bullish as a mug, so I'm going straight up like an erection. And then GU, also very bullish. Look on the daily time frame. That is a lot of exhaustion. Look at the moving averages, maintaining above it, came down and fully rejected it. So I'm liking the look of that. Let's go back to the daily real quick. So overall, this was previously like a bearish sequence right here. Bearish. What I was looking for, right, was for price to potentially come up to this previous high, right, which we have right here, and it's done that. It's rejected it. But if it were to really be considered bullish, I would need this area to be broken. Need that to be broken for minimal requirement for this to be bullish is to break this right, to break that entire high and for structure to be broken. We haven't really got that. It's only rejected it. It's still maintaining this bullish pressure to the upside, but it hasn't broken structure. So I'm chilling. Like I'm chilling. It's not really anything for me to get into yet. Like we can see right here, it's rejected twice. It's rejected twice, but it's still maintaining the higher lows. Let's do this. It's still maintaining the higher lows overall. This is overall higher low. So it's maintaining that almost like an ascending triangle where we have the resistance and higher lows right here. So I'm chilling right now, but looking forward to the break. If it doesn't show a break, then I'm looking for probably another equal high, making a triple top or a lower high here, and then for price to just fall from there. Lastly is gold. Gold, right? Gold is just like don't do too much type of pair. It's like don't do too much. Man, what am I talking about? But like gold is bullish, as you can see. Look on the daily, bullish. But within this bullish sequence, we have a lot of consolidation. But yes, exhaustion on the higher time frames. But those are really met with, or they represent these consolidation points right here, right here. You see all this exhaustion, ugly. Even right here, price coming at a standstill. No really a direction that we see. It's just side by side by side, a sideways movement. So ain't much we can do with that. But right now it's broken out of that, and it's hit the negative 27 based off our fibs from all the way down here, point A, point B, point C, and just delivering on that move right there. So first target hit, I'm looking forward to it hitting all the way to negative 61.8, and as well as these previous highs right there. Yeah, I don't see it stopping anytime soon. Let's go to the smaller time frames. Like right here, this is overall higher low right here. Higher low, area of support being maintained, and we also have these higher lows right here. It's just this area of resistance or these previous highs. Looking forward to it breaking and continuing on from there. Something like that, simple like that. Yeah, these stocks, man, I gotta get right with these stocks. I gotta get right. It's just utilizing my technical analysis on forex and transferring them to here. I mean, you have a lot of gaps going on with the stocks, but it's not that difficult. I would say it's difficult on the smaller time frames to analyze it, but from the grand scheme of things, daily, 4 hour, even like weekly, it makes sense for the most part. Like I looked at Nvidia, bearish. It was obviously bearish, and I was looking at this yesterday. I was thinking about getting into some puts, but it was just the premiums, man. I wasn't loaded up. So, but I'm slowly getting the hang of these options. Slowly, stocks and options, all that stuff. But yeah, man, we get into this money, we get into this bread. By all means, by any means, every week, more opportunities. Yeah. Catch you on the next video. Get right. Get right. Straight up. Get right.